Hi, I am Esra, head chef of Zahter, and today we are going to make Antep Kuru Dolma. First step, we have a boiling water. Here we have Antep Kuru Dolmas. They are from Antep. They take the inside first. The season in the summer there is a very dry season, as no humid at all, and they will start to dry in for whole summer. We need to soak them to get a little bit softening because we're going to make a filling inside. We put in the hot water, close the lid, keep it on side. It will rest for half an hour. This is a freekeh and a bulgur. Freekeh is a very unique bulgur. The harvest when happens green, they cut it through, they put in the top of the fire, and then they let it out again. All the smokiness and greenness will come inside it. We're going to soak them in the water. Freekeh takes 20 minutes, bulgur is 10. We have here onions. I already chopped them beforehand. First we starting with sumac, dry mint, zested garlic, cumin, jalapeno chili, crushed one, salt and pepper. Here I have tomato paste, spicy pepper paste, and here I have sumac molasses. Sumac is actually a fruit. You pick them from the mountains. It's very sticky. It's quite sour. It gives amazing flavor for your dish. With the sumac molasses, if you cannot find, you can use the pomegranate molasses instead of. It gives the same type of sourness. I will start to chop some parsley. You don't need to do very thinly. I like a little bit rough. And then I will put some my chopped parsley in. And now I have mint and I will chop them again roughly. Why I'm using two type of mint? Because the dry mint has more deepness and then give earthiness into it. Fresh mint gives you actually is from the names like quite more fresh and minty flavor. We need to drain our bulgur. Get rid of all the excess water, please. We put in our bulgur into our mix. Drain our freekeh bulgur, and then when you smell it, you can smell all the smoke's flavors coming through it. Before we mix in through, we soak our aubergine. You see the colors already changing, getting amazingly. They get bigger size as well. Drain all the water from the aubergine. Let them dry a little bit. Now all our ingredients in our bowl, and I'm going to start to mix them through. When you mix them through, you need to add a little bit olive oil into the mix. Mix them through well. When you start to rubbing through all the flavors, basically join them together. I have onion in here. You can use red onion, white onion, doesn't matter. I will chop them roughly again, put onto my pot to not just my dolma should cook with the onion flavors and not stuck on the bottom as well. Now you can see all our aubergines are dry and it's like more softer. I can play with it. You need to use your hand with this. All your fillings, push with your fingers inside. I'm going to press it and I will leave that much gap because my bulgurs, when I start to cooking them, getting bigger. I don't want any fillings coming out inside my dolma, and then make sure you close it like that. Make sure you put all your aubergines heads like on skirt, like I will show you, like this way, because I will add 1 glass of water into it. I don't want any of my stuffings shouldn't come outside. And before we cooking, I will add a little pinch of salt on top and extra little bit more olive oil. Now I put our dolma in the stove. You will see it's a high heat. When the water starts to get boiling, please turn your heat completely down because we want our dolmas to cook very slowly. When Antep Kuru Dolma is cooking, I'm going to make a chimichurri, chopped dill, parsley, red onion, chili, leblebi. They are chickpeas, dry. I have the lemons here. I like to use the zest and the juice, salt on top. Now I will mix them together. Add some olive oil and the white balsamic. This is the perfect consistency. All the big chunks, all the flavors are there. Now our Antep Kuru Dolma is cooked. I will start to plating them up. On top of this, we done the chimichurri. Now our Antep Kuru Dolma is ready to eat. Let me try. Savory, nutty, all the fresh herbs. Taste is amazing. Thanks for watching. If you want to come and try the dish with us, come and see us at Zahter. Thank you.